What did you smell?
Smell of something good.
I think it's a gas. Hold my hand.
Gas?
Yeah.
From the water it open like that?
Yeah. You jog with daddy like that? Right here?
Mom, you get the carpet.
Okay, go inside. Go to the people singing. Go. Do not go to the pool. Say hi to the girls. Oh no. Hello, be. Okay lang. Kumusta? Say hi to the pretty girl.
Say hi.
Ala, maliligo na. Say hi to the pretty girl. No, it's very, babe. Are you happy? Remove the sleeper na. Remove the sleeper first. Remove the sleeper.
Ate, ninangga ako sabi niya nag-inom.
Ay. You talk to the pretty girls. Are they pretty? Yeah. So pretty. I'm gonna put the bag first. Let's put the bag first in the room. Let's go first in the room, please. Please. Come on. Come on here. Over there in that room where the girls go. Faster. Faster in the room. Come here.
Wow. No, what's this true? That's not true.
Huh?
Oh, those slippery.
Wow.
Wow. So yung mag-overnight sa kanila sana to, no?
Diyan ka?
Ha?
Diyan ka na?
Ah, dito na lang.
Ate, hirap naman kausap ng anak mo.
Hindi man mag-Tagalog yan.
Say mama! Mama! Say mama. Mama.
Ang ganda pala eh.
I climbed it. Climbed it. Okay.
Open the ref, babe.
Okay. I opened your bag.
What's inside?
There's nothing here.
There's nothing there.
Because there's nothing there.
There's nothing also there.
Yeah.
That's yours. Just put it there. Just put it there. Later na lang yan.
Ate, sino nabunot mo? Ay,
Wait lang. Ha? What? The water is so? I do not the phone. Do not wet the phone. The water is so cool. Oh, say let's hi. Say hi. Hi.
Hi, girl.
Huh?
Hi, girl.
Only one. Only one. Only one.
Yeah.
That one? Okay.
Okay na.
O, yung mga talunan dyan, walang mapiling, ha?
O, pinanalo
Walang mapiling, ha? Buo, ha?